Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dev and you are watching Live Reviewed, and today we'll be doing the unboxing and a brief overview of an electric toothbrush. This is the Oral-B Vitality 100 manufactured by Braun. So Braun is a very well-known manufacturer in the US. They manufacture all type of household utensils, microwaves, kettles, electric kettles and all those stuff. So it is a very reputed company and a very old company. So let me just show you around the box and then we'll go ahead with the unboxing. So this is cross action, this is quadrant timer. So one of the main reasons I got this is a 2-minute timer. You can set the timer and you can just keep on brushing, so you will not brush for more time, and which actually hurts your gums. All right, on the side, used by dentists worldwide. Okay, some information how to charge it. There is a charging station, and on the back, cross manufacture. Okay, the MRP of this is mentioned as 1599, but you can get this from Amazon at 999. I bought this at a sale, and this is manufactured in Hungary. So yeah, this is not manufactured in China. That is one good thing. And let us go ahead and do the unboxing of this. All right, no easy way to cross this. This is totally sealed, so you have to simply, this is not an unboxing and more of a tearing. Okay, right, can this come out? Okay, so this is the most destructive unboxing that I have done till now. All right, I think there is nothing else in the box here. Some booklet. All right, so first off, we have a booklet, sort of a booklet, a huge piece of paper folded around. Oh wow, lot of information, what to do, how to do, etc, etc. Okay, let's not get into this. If we go into this, it will take around 1 hour to complete our video. All right, so this is the charging unit, charging base or charging socket, that's what they called it. And let's get this out. Okay, 2-pin, white. Okay, the structure and all these things are quite good. All right, so, and the base is quite heavy. I like this one, so it will not tilt when you put your brush on top of that. Now coming to the brush itself. All right, this is how it looks. Rubberized grip heads, totally rubber. The build quality of this is really good. This is shiny, this is rubber here, so the grip of this will be really good. And the bristle of this is really soft, and you can get a pack of 4 of these bristles later. You can use this for around 3 months and you can replace it. I think that pack costs you around, pack of 4 costs you around 1000 rupees. So I would say it's quite reasonable. And we have the power button here. Let me see if there is any. There is power. Okay, so it oscillates. It does not go round totally, if I'm correct. It just oscillates like to and fro like this. Okay, what else is there? Coming at the bottom, we have the charging base here, but I don't see any open pins, so it might be internal. I'm not sure about that, so that is a little bit weird. I was expecting some metal pins here, but yeah, I guess we'll know. Okay, if we keep it like this, so this is how it will look. You will have to plug in, keep it plugged in. This takes around 14 hours to charge. So what they suggest is you take it out, you brush it, and you keep it back on the charger. That is, always keep it plugged in when you are not brushing it. One bad thing which I can say about this is it does not have any LED, any low battery LED, or any LED to indicate that it is charging or something like that. It would have been really good if they had included a low battery LED. That was really important, or an LED which would suggest that it was charging. So that is the only bad thing that I can think of. And the good thing that I like is the base is really heavy, so even if you put it like this, it won't topple over. So that is a really good thing about that. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, do put it in the comment section. I'll answer each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye and stay safe.